So one of the first Pixel 6 Pros arrived today, so we thought we'd open it and let you see. The box is skinnier than I thought it would be, and it's sealed with two little plastic tabs. And I got the lucky prize of being allowed to open it. Ooh, this is called Sometimes Sunny.
Sort of sunny.
Sort of Sunny. It's like a brand new one. So the screen is 6.7 inches. Looks like 2 cameras on the back, 3 cameras with a flash and some other little sensor points up here.
Why does anybody need to look up the specs with your description like?
It's called sometimes Sort of Sunny because of the yellow colour. So I'll put that down there very, very carefully. Also in the box, we've got the charging cable I should say. So USB-C to USB-C, and also one of these famous things that we get in all our boxes and we lose every time, the little adapter from normal USB to USB-C.
That's
3.
USB-A.
Oh, USB-A
to USB-C.
to USB-C.
Yep.
So, funnily enough, in this one, it doesn't come with a charging cable. They're an additional 45.
You've got the cable there.
Charging port, sorry, the plug that goes from here into the PowerPoint. That's an additional $45, I think, and you can buy that at this point on the Google Play Store.
But if you buy this on the Google Play Store, you get a $150 credit. So
yeah. So as JD just said, if you buy this on the Google Play Store, you do get $150 credit to put toward things like the plug, and there's also a stand that you can get, or some new Pixel earbud type things that don't have a cord.
turn the phone on, come on.
So yeah, let's see if this is gonna turn on. Not entirely sure what will happen.
Kaboom. Nice little hole punch centered. Good spot for it. The hole punch camera at the top.
Okay. So that's the camera at the top, as JD was just saying.
It has an in-glass fingerprint sensor.
Ooh.
Under-glass fingerprint sensor.
So along the side, that's where your SIM card goes in there. Welcome to your Pixel. Get started. Probably shouldn't have done that.
We're not in the United States, so.
The on-off button, your volume button, speakers, charging port, speaker I think at the top there.
Where do the headphones go? Actually, it doesn't come with headphones.
No, it doesn't.
Is there nothing under there?
No.
No headphones.
Okay, so now we have to...
Do all the rest of it.
Yes, set it all up, but I'm just skipping through some of these things.
Just skip.
And we'll get back to that later when we're not videoing it.
Skip.
Yeah, there's no skip. Haha, you thought I was all going to let you see what the password was going to be.
You're a funny one.
Okay, we're not going to set up that for now. Go back in later on and do it. Skip. Okay, all set. Swipe up to go to the home screen. Ooh. The photos are so clear. I'm not sure why that's bouncing.
Slide up.
There's the menu.
It's all nice and smooth.
It's a little bit jumpy, probably because there aren't a lot of... There's only like 1 page and 2 apps. So you can see that scroll bar going quite quickly up and down. It's got Pixel tips in there, and then when JD logs in with all this stuff, it'll pick up all his photos and all these other apps that he wants to put on there. Okay, that's it.